Revolutionary morning robot opens car doors autonomously. AI breakthrough in automotive retail. Imagine a world where robots can perform tasks independently, transforming our daily interactions. This is not just a dream. It's a reality with AiMOGA's humanoid robot, Mornine, which has achieved the remarkable feat of opening car doors without any human assistance. This groundbreaking innovation marks Mornine as the first humanoid robot to autonomously execute this task in a genuine commercial setting. Mornine, developed by AiMOGA Robotics, has successfully opened a car door using only its own sensors and physical capabilities. Unlike traditional robots that rely on pre-programmed instructions or remote controls, Mornine operates entirely on its own, showcasing a significant advancement in robotic technology. Key insights about Mornine. To understand how Mornine accomplishes this impressive task, it's essential to know about its training process. The robot underwent extensive training through millions of simulations in virtual environments. This rigorous training enabled Mornine to learn how to identify door handles, concentrate on the correct area, and apply the appropriate force using its arms, torso, and legs to open a door. This learning was facilitated by advanced technologies, including a visual linguistic model, depth cameras, 3D LiDAR, and reinforcement learning, all without any human guidance on what a handle is. After completing its digital training, Mornine was deployed in Chery 4S dealerships across China, utilizing sim-to-real transfer techniques. In this real-world environment, Mornine continues to gather sensory data while performing its tasks, enhancing its capabilities through ongoing learning in the cloud. #Current capabilities. Today, Mornine is not just limited to opening vehicle doors, it also greets customers and showcases available car models at sales points. Its ability to move, perceive its surroundings, and physically interact with objects signifies a major leap forward in the integration of robots into retail environments. Robot welcomes customers at dealerships. Source: Automotive, Netherlands. Site: AiMOGA Robotics, a subsidiary of Chery, is committed to developing humanoid robots that are designed for real-world applications. This innovation reinforces their belief that robots should not be confined to laboratory settings. Mornine represents a pivotal shift from being externally controlled to achieving full physical autonomy. The success of Mornine hints at a future where robots will work alongside humans, taking on demanding and repetitive physical tasks, thereby revolutionizing the customer service experience in industries like automotive. Join the conversation. What do you think about the rise of autonomous robots like Mornine? Are you excited or concerned about the implications of such technology in our daily lives? Share your thoughts in the comments below. China's humanoid robot Mornine opens car doors autonomously, a world's first. Imagine a robot that can open a car door without a single human command. No buttons, no sensors, just pure autonomous intelligence. That's exactly what AiMOGA Robotics achieved with their humanoid robot, Mornine, in a stunning demonstration at a Chery dealership in China. This isn't just a flashy trick. It's a glimpse into the future of service robotics, where machines learn to interact with the physical world in ways that blur the line between human and machine. But here's where it gets controversial. If robots can handle tasks like this, what does that mean for human workers in retail and service industries? Let's dive deeper. Mornine, the humanoid star of this story, used a mix of onboard sensors, full-body motion control, and advanced machine learning to locate a car door handle, adjust her posture, and execute the door-opening action, all without human input. Unlike traditional robots that rely on pre-programmed scripts or remote control, Mornine learned through reinforcement learning, a type of AI that mimics trial-and-error learning. She wasn't explicitly told what a door handle looked like. Instead, she analyzed millions of simulated scenarios to figure out the optimal approach. The result? a robot that adapts in real time to real-world challenges, like the awkward angle of a car door or the texture of a handle. This breakthrough isn't just about convenience. AiMOGA Robotics calls it a pivotal moment in robotics, marking the shift from simulation-based training to real-world application. Mornine's tech stack includes 3D LiDAR, depth cameras, and a visual language model, VLM, to process her surroundings. Her ability to gather and analyze sensor data on the fly, then feed it into a cloud-based training loop, means she keeps improving with every interaction. And this is the part most people miss. The robot isn't just learning once. It's continuously refining its skills through sim-to-real methods, a technique that bridges digital simulations with physical execution. But how did Mornine go from a concept to a showroom star? The story starts in the metaverse. Initially designed as a virtual character to engage Gen Z audiences, Mornine evolved into a physical robot after Chery Automobile, her parent company, saw the potential for real-world applications. By combining Chery's expertise in autonomous driving and environmental sensing with DeepSeek's large language models, Mornine became a full-stack humanoid capable of tasks like greeting customers, explaining vehicle specs, and even delivering refreshments. Her debut in Malaysia as an intelligent sales consultant isn't just a tech win, it's a cultural shift in how brands interact with consumers. So what's next? AiMOGA's achievement raises big questions. Will robots like Mornine replace human salespeople? Or will they enhance the customer experience by handling repetitive tasks? And if machines can learn to open car doors autonomously, how far are we from robots managing entire service ecosystems? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you think this is a step toward a more efficient future? Or does it signal the start of a job displacement crisis? Share your perspective in the comments below. Meet Mornine, the humanoid robot revolutionizing retail and AI. A single robot casually opening a car door has set the world ablaze with questions about where human skill ends and machine capability begins. Meet Mornine, the humanoid creation from AiMOGA Robotics that stunned onlookers by unlocking a car at a Chery dealership in China, completely on its own. Equipped with 3D LiDAR, depth cameras, and advanced motion algorithms, this robot didn't follow a rigid script. Instead, it sensed the handle, adjusted its posture, and applied just the right amount of pressure to swing the door open. But here's where it gets controversial. Are these breakthroughs a triumph we should applaud, or a signal that machines are inching too close to everyday human tasks? The leap from training in a computer simulation to functioning in the real world is enormous. Traditional industrial robots execute pre-programmed tasks in factories. But Mornine learned through reinforcement learning, an AI method that mimics trial and error. Think of teaching a puppy tricks by rewarding each correct move. Engineers ran millions of virtual exercises, guiding the robot toward door handles and helping it master the precise motions required. Then, using a technique called sim-to-real, the lessons transferred from silicon to steel, enabling Mornine to improve on the fly with real sensor feedback. And this is the part most people miss. Mornine wasn't hard-coded to detect a handle's shape or color. It discovered those details itself, focusing attention on the door's most important regions. Its onboard computer constantly refines its grip and balance, reacting to subtle variations in handle design and door resistance. That kind of adaptive skill was once the realm of science fiction. Originally, Mornine existed only as a digital mascot to draw in Generation Z car buyers via metaverse and virtual human technologies. As the concept matured, Chery teamed up with AiMOGA to build a physical counterpart, a retail assistant who can meet customers, demonstrate vehicles, and even hand over car keys. The robot's multimodal sensing merges voice recognition, gesture interpretation, and environmental awareness so that it can greet you in Mandarin, follow your hand signals, and navigate a showroom independently. Outside China, Mornine has already crossed borders. In April 2025, a dealership in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, unveiled her as an intelligent sales consultant. There she interacts in multiple languages and adapts to local customs. Seeing a robot walk across continents to help sell cars underscores how rapidly AI is spilling over national and cultural boundaries. What does this mean for the future of work? On one hand, machines like Mornine can handle repetitive or hazardous tasks, freeing humans to focus on creative, strategic, or emotional aspects of service. Imagine a world where showroom employees concentrate on building relationships while robots tackle the heavy lifting. Yet on the other hand, there's the fear of job displacement. If a robot can open doors, greet clients, and deliver items, what role remains uniquely human? Mornine's rise prompts deeper ethical questions. Who is responsible if a robot's grip fails and damages property? How do we ensure that AI systems respect privacy when scanning human faces and gestures? And beyond individual dealerships, what regulations will define safe interaction between humans and autonomous robots in public spaces? Some argue that the arrival of humanoid service robots heralds an era of unparalleled convenience and innovation. Others see a slippery slope toward widespread automation, with entire sectors vulnerable to replacement. But here's the counterpoint few talk about. History shows that technology often creates new kinds of jobs, even as it renders old ones obsolete. For every automated assembly line, there have been fresh opportunities in AI programming, maintenance, and ethics oversight. So what do you think? Are we witnessing the dawn of a collaborative future where humans and robots share tasks harmoniously? Or are we careening toward a world where machines erode the livelihoods of countless workers? Share your thoughts and join the debate. The next chapter of humanity's relationship with AI is being written now, and everyone has a stake in how the story unfolds.